Look at this faggoty boy. Don't hit my car, you bitch. Unpainted ass bumper. Ah, there it goes. I remember when I used to be a girl and had bags. Well, anyways, welcome back to another video, guys. Today, as you can see by the thumbnail, we are working on this freaking thing again. I got the fuel pump for it, so I need to get to taking this puppy out because it's right under here, so it shouldn't be too bad. I got a whole damn siphoning shit for it, and then we got this fucking guy here.
What up?
I just waited for him basically.
Can you show it on me?
Oh yeah, okay. So I'll let you guys know once we get in there. So I just have to take this damn thing off, and then hopefully after that, all I'll have left is the harness. I was supposed to get the last piece of it today, but it's on FedEx, so of course it's late. But hopefully by the next video, I'll either be sending it out or already back here, so fingers crossed. Alright, so we took the seat out. Now you gotta use Phillips, whatever the fuck, and then move these fuckers this way. Get them all the same way. Hi. And then it comes out. You just gotta be careful with this shit. Como noche, güey. Así mismo.
Sí, pues digo, ¿por qué no sale?
No nació ahí.
Pues yo sé que hágale, sí. Aquí que trae.
Hold up. Huh?
Bien.
Yeah, so now we have our good friend here, Braian. Since he got here late, don't break my shit. Since he got here late, he gets to work. But anyways, here's the fuel pump that I went with. The AEM. Hold on. It's a 350. A lot of people, at least for VQs, run them. It has the whole shebang there. There it is. It came with this little sleeve, so I just put it back on. And then this buddy here. A lot of people say to not use this. I think it's this hose. I don't think I'll be needing it. And hopefully I won't have to use this. Although I might, who knows? We'll see. But we'll see. Huh? Alright, so we already took it out. That motherfucker was full. We're trying to do some work. I've never used this, so it shouldn't be too hard, I would think. And we're just gonna start distributing it on every car we have here. Maybe that one, this one. So yeah, let you guys know how it goes. Seems to be working. It'll probably take us all day here, but if anybody wants it, you can come get it. Looks pretty clean. We had a full tank, by the way. So we got almost all the fuel out. We're gonna check on that side since the car is on jack stands on the front. It's probably a little bit stuck up here at the end. So, but hey, this damn $10 tool works.
Come get it.
Yeah. If you want it, once I'm done here, you can have it for free with the gas too. Well, this shit's out. Now I gotta get this little pin out of here and get the fuel pump out, because of course it's gotta be a pain in the ass. No sale de más ningún lado. What the fuck? Come on. pues a computer. There. Oh, it's out. I gotta get this shit out of here. Oh, look at that. That's that, boys. Now we put the new one on. It brings another plug. This one's still usable, so as long as it works on there, I don't see why I need to change it. So, yep, fun stuff. I'll probably end up getting a new whole thing later on, maybe. What's up, guys? It's another day. We finished the whole fuel pump install. I couldn't record it because it was already dark, couldn't really see, but that's already taken care of. All I need now is just to send the harness to get customized for the car, and we should be good, hopefully, if nothing else comes up. But you know how this game goes. And since it's a short video, I decided to do a whole nother thing with the Q50. I got some R1concept rotors for it. It's been needing them for like the longest ever. Those things are crusty already, and then like when I stop, it starts shaking and all that, so I decided it was time to upgrade. They're the same ones I run on the G, and honestly pretty satisfied with them. They are freaking huge in the front, so hopefully it's not too bad. I'll show you guys how it goes and how they look after it's done. Alright, so I already took the old one out on that side, and it looks a little rough, whatever. So I have that one there just to make sure it was the right one, that they did give me the sport one. And now I'm taking the calipers out. Since I have the big ones, you'll have these little pins on there, like back here on this shit right here. So you gotta take them out from the inside, use some pliers, and then just scoot them out that way, so you can get the whole brake this fuckers out. Yeah, so I'm gonna get that done, and then once I put it back together, I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright, so just finished that. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna have to redo the calipers because they got all fucked up. But yeah, that's how that looks. It'll give it a whole different look once all four of them are done. That's still the first side, so let's move on to the back. Alright, this side's out. Got this puppies here. Still got a little bit of life. I've had this car for 2 years. I've never changed the brakes, so I guess it was time for it already. What else? Like, I'll probably have to end up redoing the whole damn thing because I'm trying not to get a scratch on this side, but I'm gonna have to use that damn thing over here on this side to get it in, so that's what she said. But anyways, yeah, shouldn't be too bad. Alright, so that's that finished product right there. I got a 5mm spacer there, yes. But yeah, that only took me probably like 15 minutes. And yeah, this bad boys are gonna have to get redone because they got a little fucked up. But yep, not too bad. At least it'll look better once it's done, I'm sure. Alright guys, I'm finally done with all four sides. It looks brandy new. Yeah, so that's finally out of the way. Now next I'll have to paint the calipers. I don't know if I'll do it soon or whenever it starts getting warm again, because it's kind of cold, a little chilly up here. But yeah, let's look at that fitment so we don't fuck this up. Just ooh, it'll go down a little bit. But yeah, that is probably gonna be it for this video. Hopefully by the next video I'll have this puppy. I'll always be installing the harness. Hopefully. It's been a long year without it, so yep. Hopefully I'll get it running before the end of it. But yeah, that's it's gonna be a wrap for now. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.